it's Vanessa back with another video, and today is another video featuring my sister Becca J. Alright, so today we're going to be reacting to a video by Jstustudios. I'm going to have the link in the description so you guys can go check them out if you want, and I'm also going to have the video right here so you guys can watch it along with us.
What?
You just burped in my face. What do you mean, boy?
I'm sorry, I burped. I'm sorry.
There you go.
Okay.
Apology accepted. Now get the out of my face.
Did you want a crayon though?
Me.
Do I want a crayon?
Yeah. I'm sorry I burped. It was just
Get the out of my face.
okay.
Sorry. Oh my god, where his hair went?
Sorry, you're making me hungry, boss.
How is that making him hungry?
Go away.
Say what?
Why is he carrying
Go
a crayon?
away.
Okay.
Team
By the way,
Taylor.
here's this. I thought you needed if you made a mess. Is it?
He's so random.
I'm about to blow a gasket.
His burps are so disgusting.
Ow!
Look at his face. You're so childish. He's ready
like
for
that.
him.
Oh shoot!
That crazy crap.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Go downstairs and play around if you want to play around.
Okay, you didn't order the crayon though?
He's trying to get
I
away.
don't even want to talk to you, okay? Just leave.
Okay.
Ew.
Where's the bathroom?
She don't know what to do. His burps are so...
It's like a fart out of his mouth.
The girl's face.
Did you order the crayon? Shoot. I don't know what to do with it now.
Why she went away with the from the crane?
Because his breath stinks. He's like, this is so disgusting.
That
Is
guy
this
had
real
a
life?
shirt.
Look at his face.
Why you stop?
He's so confused.
His burp.
Ew. His burps are gross.
The red one. The one with the red shirt.
His face.
Oh, he looks like that.
Oh, where'd my crayons go?
He's possessed.
What did he drink? Look at the lady in front, the black lady. She's like, oh, I would have been like, you can't be. She don't know what to do.
What? Are you okay?
I'm gonna put this Steven Joe thing.
Caught yourself.
That almost blew out my back end, boss.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and my sister's. The link for her channel is in the description below. Make sure you comment, and thanks for watching. Bye.